Incoming device is an iPhone 7, black in color. The rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. The front camera lens does appear to have cracks forming in front of it. The home button and Touch ID do respond. The volume buttons press smoothly, so does the power button. It does look like the device has cracks all along the upper half of the phone. Go ahead and check the rear camera, and then the front camera. Front camera doesn't appear to be working. Touch passes a 9-point random digitizer test. It is at 82%. The device is with Verizon LTE, and it is charging at 1.1 amps.